Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Flood warning for Howard County in southwestern Arkansas, Sevier County in southwestern Arkansas, McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Bowie County in northeastern Texas, Franklin County in northeastern Texas, Red River County in Northern County in northeastern Texas, until 1:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in McCurtain County. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 2 hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dequeen, Clarksville, Berks, Horatio, Foreman, Bucks Elder, Bell, Broken Bow, Mount Vernon, Lagata, Lockersburg, Winthrop, Gilham, Arkinda, Manchester, Bagwell, Wilkerson, and Athens. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie, Franklin, Red River and Titus, and McCurtain, Oklahoma, and the